Want to stop drowning in manual project requests and turn Asana into a streamlined intake machine? In this video, I'll show you how to automate your project intake process with Asana's powerful AI Studio. By the end, you'll know how to set up smart, AI-driven rules that do everything from checking request quality to instant team assignment, meaning less manual sorting and way more time for actual work. Let's jump right in. First, we need a central spot for all incoming requests. You'll want to set up a dedicated project, let's call it Project Intake Hub. Think of this as your virtual front desk. Every request walks in here. Within this hub, create clear sections such as New Requests, Needs More Info, Ready for Review, and Approved Projects. These are like bins to sort incoming tasks, helping you quickly see what needs attention. If you've ever managed physical paperwork, it's essentially colorful trays: what's just arrived, what's missing details, what's ready for a thumbs up, and what's fully greenlit. Next, you'll create an Asana form that's tied to this project. In this form, include all the fields that your team needs every time, such as project name, desired outcome, urgency, and impact. This ensures submitters provide the essentials from the start. That way, you're not chasing down details later or trying to decode vague requests. Building a solid form up front saves headaches down the line. Now, let's access the magic of Asana AI Studio. Head to your new Hub project and find the Customize button up near the top right corner. Click it, and in the customization menu that appears, select Rules. Sometimes you won't see AI Studio listed specifically. That's totally normal. You'll actually tap into AI through the Rules feature. So far, so good. With that open, it's time to add your first AI-powered rule, a quality check. This step is like your super thorough receptionist. Click plus Add Rule, select a custom rule, and set the trigger either when a task is added to this project or when a form is submitted. For the action, choose Use AI. Now write a prompt that tells Asana's AI what to check for. For example, analyze the task description. If it's missing key details like desired outcome or deadline, post a comment asking for specifics and move the task to Needs More Info. If everything's complete, send it to Ready for Review. What's cool is the AI does the first pass for you, no more hunting for missing info. It'll even gently nudge submitters when something's unclear, so you keep the process moving. Let's add a second AI rule for prioritization. These days, it's hard to decide what to tackle first, but Asana's AI can do it for you. Hit plus Add Rule again, choose a custom rule, and set the trigger. When a task is moved to Ready for Review, the action is again Use AI. Now give the AI a prompt like, check the urgency and impact fields. Based on these, set our custom priority field to high, medium, or low. Drop a comment explaining why so everyone's on the same page. Imagine having a robot assistant that sorts the mail by importance. That's what this step accomplishes. Now for smooth routing and assignment. When a request is approved, you want it to reach the right person fast. Add a rule triggered by the status custom field changing to approved. Action, yep, Use AI. Prompt it to look at the project type field, marketing, product, sales, and automatically assign the task to the right team lead. No need for manual handoffs or confusion. Your intake desk just got automated. For those of you who want to take automation to the next level, consider creating projects from templates. This part's optional but super powerful. Add a rule. When a task moves to the Approved Projects section, select Create a Project from Template as your action. Pick your template and be sure to link the original request so the handover is seamless. And that's it. With these steps, Asana's AI Studio becomes your behind-the-scenes project intake engine, letting you focus on what really matters. If you found this tutorial useful, hit that like button, drop any questions or tips in the comments, and make sure to subscribe for more in-depth, actionable guides like this. Thanks for watching and happy automating.